If you're moving to Indonesia without the right visa, you're wasting months and 50 million rupiah, and here's exactly how to fix it. Here's the problem. 73% of expats get rejected on their first application because they're missing one document. Social visa takes 30 days, but tourist visa extension takes only 7 days if filed correctly. Most expats overpay 15 million rupiah for visas when the Bali Lawyer cuts that to 8 million rupiah. You found your dream home in Bali, but immigration rejects your visa application. Within 2 weeks your lease expires. You're stuck. This is exactly why the Bali Lawyer built our visa service. We handle 200 plus expat visa applications every year, and we know exactly which documents Indonesian immigration demands before they say yes. Most people fail here. They try the DIY visa route and miss the proof of funds requirement or the notarized invitation letter. Do not submit without both documents. Immigration rejects 73% of incomplete applications on day 1. That's 2 to 3 weeks wasted. The Bali Lawyer handles your paperwork audit before submission, 0 rejections. Step 2. Determine your visa category. Social visas cost 2 million rupiah and take 30 days in Kuala Lumpur. Business visas cost 4 million rupiah and take 45 days. Tourist extensions cost 500,000 rupiah and renew every 30 days at the office in Denpasar. The Bali Lawyer picks the right one for your timeline and budget. Step 3. Collect notarized documents. This is important. Your invitation letter must be notarized by an Indonesian public notary, not a US or UK notary. Most expats get this wrong and resubmit twice. The Bali Lawyer provides the notarized template and handles the stamps, saving you 10 million rupiah in wasted applications. Here's the problem. DIY visa processing takes 8 to 10 hours of your time, costs 15 million rupiah in application fees if rejected once, and takes 35 to 50 days. The Bali Lawyer does it in 5 hours, costs 8 million rupiah flat, 0 rejections, 20 to 30 days. One path burns weeks and money. The other works. Pro move. If you need to stay longer than 60 days, apply for a multiple entry social visa, not a tourist extension. Multiple entry costs 6 million rupiah upfront but lets you leave and return without reapplying. Tourist extensions stack to 180 days but cost 500,000 rupiah every 30 days, totaling 3 million rupiah over 6 months. The Bali Lawyer runs the math for your exact timeline and locks in the cheapest path. When you email immigration, use this line: my social visa application, submitted on, date, reference number, your receipt number, requires clarification on the proof of funds document. Resubmit on, date. This phrase tells them exactly what you're fixing and prevents a full restart. Social visas need notarized invite letters. Tourist extensions renew every 30 days. The Bali Lawyer saves 7 million rupiah in 4 weeks. Book your free consultation now. If this helped, smash like, subscribe, and visit the Bali Lawyer to book your free visa consultation today. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.